Okay, guys, so today we are going to start in scratch.mit.edu and we're going to start learning animations. So for this project, you're going to want to animate two sprites and have them do two different things when you click on them. So for example, here's my example. When I click on the bat, he flaps his wings. I can also click and drag the bat. So those are the two animations that I've programmed in this platform, okay, for the bat. For the cat, so these are my sprites. 1, 2. So we already know the bat can flap his wings if you click on it, and you can click and drag to move the bat around. If you click on the cat, it plays a sound and moves to a random location on the screen. So that's one animation. The second animation is if you click on the green flag, he changes his costume and takes one step forward. He has a little mustache and a crown. Okay, so the bat, one animation is to click and it flaps his wings. The second is to click and drag. The cat, if you click on it, plays a sound, moves to a location. That's one. The second one is to change um, his costume and move forward. I've had so much fun with this, you guys. Okay, so in Scratch, there's actually a lot of tutorials on how to create all sorts of animations, and they're all set up very basic for kids starting out learning and how to animate. So the first thing that I want to show you is down here at the bottom. These are my sprites. These are my little characters, right? So I picked two characters. You can always click and add a new sprite by selecting this little cat head that has a plus sign. Also, my background is right here, right next to my sprites. There's a little background option. When you click on it, there's a lot of different offerings. You can even search for a specific backdrop, like if you want something in outer space or the beach, or, you can also click on these tabs at the top to help you sort and filter all of your images. Okay. So much fun. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do in class is we are going to start with a basic animation. When you first log into Scratch, you will see a little tutorial video pop up that says getting started. When you notice this is here, you can shrink it and move it around so you can see all your codes and expand it to look at it again. If you notice, there's these little circles at the top. These are different starting tutorials. So you'll watch the first one and then click through, and it'll give you just a little bit of a reminder of what you just watched in the tutorial and all the different steps that you need to take. Okay, so your job this week, we're going to animate two different characters in two different ways. And I did this pretty quickly, and I do have experience with this. However, I think if you can animate one character, you're going to love it. And it will be so easy and so much fun. You might even try 3. I can't wait to see what you create. Stay creative, and I'll see you in class. Bye, friends.